Okay, we are going to review how to get to Eduphoria so you guys can take your district assessment this morning. So this is ClassLink. Then you're going to go to Eduphoria. It's orange with a purple E and an exclamation point. You're going to click that. It's going to log you in. Okay. Now, right now, this only test that's available is a 3rd grade science Spanish. This is old, okay? You're going to have a math test when you get here and you take this test this morning, okay? 3rd grade math unit, it's going to say UA2, okay? UA2. Please do not take the Spanish version. No student in any of these classes, any student that is watching this, you do not need to take the Spanish version. The reason that the Spanish version is still here is because it hasn't been taken, and so it doesn't go away. Once you take your test, it's gone, okay? So if you come on, you're like, I don't remember if I took it. So go on and look. If it's gone, that means you submitted your test, okay? Remember, you're going to go to Eduphoria. It's with the purple E, orange background, exclamation point. It's going to pull up here. You're going to have a test that says 3rd grade math, UA2. Please click that one and then get started.